Hi, I'm Helen and welcome to my channel. Today's class will be a short breathing practice. I'll teach you how to do a breath called Chandra Bedhana, which is moon activating breath. It tunes in to the lunar side of our energy and our bodies, and this is what helps us calm down, relax, restore, and is ideal to do if you're feeling a bit wound up and you want to calm down. Particularly good to do just before you're going to sleep. If you grab a blanket or a cushion or a bolster, something to sit on to elevate your hips slightly so you're in a comfortable position, I'll see you on the mat. So come to a comfortable seated position. I'm sitting in Sadhana pose, which is accomplished pose. I've got my hips elevated on a bolster, so my spine is nice and straight, which is really important when we're doing breathing practices. So we have a nice flow of air all through the body. Take your right hand and you're going to make a mudra, which is called a Vishnu mudra. So a mudra is a hand gesture, which they're quite traditional and they stimulate different energies in the body depending on what position they're in. So for this one, take the right hand and you're going to fold in the first two fingers. So the ring finger and the little finger are upright and the thumb is released as well. So this is called Vishnu mudra. Take the thumb and place it on the right nostril. So I'm not mirroring you. And then from here, close the right nostril. On an inhale, you inhale through the left nostril. Use the ring finger to close the left nostril. And then as you exhale, it comes out through the right. Close the right nostril. Inhale again through the left. Close the left nostril, out through the right. We just repeat this pattern. So in through the left, close the left, exhale through the right. Close the right, inhale left. Close the left, exhale right. Inhale left. Close the left, exhale right. Inhale left. Close 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 left, exhale right. One more. Inhale left. Close left. Exhale right. And then release both hands to the knees, the eyes closed, and just breathe here. Notice how you feel. Do you feel calm? Relaxed? So when we use the left nostril, and the left nostril is more dominant, it tunes into the lunar side of our energy, the feminine, receptive sides of our body. Whereas the right side is associated with our masculine, solar, energetic side. So when you want to feel calm and relaxed, it's a really great breath to do Breathing in through the left and out through the right. And then slowly flutter the eyes open. So you can do that breath at any time you're feeling a bit anxious or you just want to calm yourself down. Tune into that feminine side of your body. We're all a balance of feminine and masculine, lunar and solar, yin and yang. Everything has got its natural opposite in nature. Hope you enjoyed the class and I'll see you again soon. Take care.